What a lovely peaceful place.
I booty guy.
So we just decided to come and sit down on this bench because it was empty, and we've probably figured out why now.
It's only 3 minutes to the Italian Gardens from here and 4 minutes to the clock tower.
And that's where we're going. At this point, I should point out that I have bought some new microphones for me and my mum. But unfortunately, silly me, I forgot to turn mine on. So for the time being, you've got some music and a bit of my mum talking.
There's one with amazing views, look at them.
Beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah, you imagine the view you'd get.
They look Scottish.
Yeah.
You know Scotland, all them have them, don't they?
Yeah, they're lovely. I wonder if they've got lifts. I'd sit in that window all day, you know, just looking at the view.
This is the south side of Scarborough. Just thought I'd explain that we're on our way to the Italian Gardens. Really, really lovely side of Scarborough.
Ah. Memory of Jean, whose love affair with Scarborough lasted over 60 years.
At this point, I did ask who Scarborough was, the lucky man. Can't remember what I was saying here, sorry.
Get sun here, wouldn't you? Get sunburnt. Wow, what a lovely peaceful area to come to. You know, after all the hustle and bustle in the town, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. And look at that beautiful building there, Kev.
Oh, over the road?
Yeah, isn't that gorgeous?
Yeah.
I don't mean this one, I mean that one.
They look Scottish though to me. You know, like when we went to Edinburgh and stuff.
Yeah.
They look like that.
But that one, look at that. That's amazing. The views from there. Wow.
Feels like I'm innocent. It feels like I'm innocent. It feels like I'm innocent. Feels like I'm innocent. Feels like I'm innocent. It feels like I'm innocent. Feels like I'm innocent. It feels like I'm innocent. Feels like I'm innocent. Feels like I'm innocent. Deep underwater and I'm feeling numb. Now I remember all the things I've done. I feel that panic taking over me. Taking over me. The things that happen I cannot explain. Hold on, I let it just slip away. I let it just slip away. Let it just slip away. Feels like I'm innocent. It 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 feels like I'm innocent. Innocent. Feels like I'm innocent. Feels like I'm innocent.
Beautiful.
Feels like I'm innocent.
Look at all those steps over there. That looks gorgeous. Oh, it's so lovely and quiet.
The Italian gardens were designed by civic engineer Harry W. Smith. Not sure if he's related to the W.H. Smith, maybe. Work began in 1911. The statue that you'll see shortly was a gift, and it is believed that they didn't know where to place it, so they had a worker pose in this position to see if this would be the right spot for it before it arrived. So the statue in the middle of the ornate lily pond is the statue of Mercury. It's not the original one. The original one was made of lead. This is a resin copy. So this is the Italian gardens at Scarborough, and they are absolutely beautiful. Must be a lot of work that have gone into planning and looking after this and maintaining it. Absolutely gorgeous, just everywhere around, seating area, plants, all the trees. Got all the trees around a lot. Absolutely amazing. Take you up here. A plaque there to tell you more about it if you want to read it. So these displays are at the top near the road, and I just think they're absolutely stunning. Well done to whoever created them. They're just how gardens used to be at seaside destinations. Oh look, she got her hot waffle in the end.
So I want to have a quick look around this shop, if that's okay. What's it called? It's a crystal shop.
You'll have to wait out here because you can't go in.
You can't come in, Alan.
Because there's a step.
Sister Moon crystals. I'd love to have that reading. Not got time, have we?
Yeah, if you want one.
Oh. To book the readings in advance?
They are walk-ins on Wednesday, but our advice is to book it in just because they get really busy.
Right.
So,
I can't do one now, obviously, because we're going home tomorrow,
yes,
but
yeah.
just for future.
Yeah.
It's that one then.
So selenite, you've got
Go and have a look, Kev.
Go on, you first.
your small sticks, you've got big sticks, we've got little tumbles, we've got dishes, we've got spiral, and then we've got a sphere.
Oh, I'm spot for choice now. Oh, I like the dish. Shaped like the moon,
Yeah,
isn't
that's
it?
nice.
The dish is
yeah.
nice because if she's got any other crystals and things like that, she
Yeah.
can pop them in and pop them on top. It's
Right.
charged the crystals as well as cleansing them, so it's kind of a bit of a double whammy.
So what's that one? You'll have
That
to
one's
remind me.
selenite,
And that does
and cleansing and
cleansing.
charging.
You'll have to write it all down for
So-
me.
We'll do it this one.
If you get that one then,
And
and
put
then
some
get
of
the
the
smaller of the
get
other
the
one that you
green
were talking
one
about,
and
yeah.
the other one, what you said. Yeah. So we'll take that one then.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
And then this is tourmaline. Yeah.
all right,
Yeah.
okay.
And I
It's a
need
bit
you
like
to
hot.
write it down so
Yeah.
I know. Yeah, that'd be nice, wouldn't it? And then if we have that, what was the green
Yeah,
one
that
for?
one,
luck, prosperity, good fortune, abundance.
Oh yes.
Enjoy the good.
That-
One is rose quartz. That's the stone of love, nurturing. It's a nice one to. It works with your heart chakra, so it's a good one.
We'll have that one as well then.
Yeah.
And
Do
then
you
I
want to
think, yes.
pick which one?
You pick one.
Or do we pick? Ooh.
Pick
Well, that one's talking to me, so I'll take that one.
that one.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you.
And then do you want to pick one?
Yeah,
Is it
do you
one
want
from
to
this
pick a
one?
green one, Kev?
Is it one from that
Yeah.
one, yeah?
That one's nice.
Either raw or polished, whichever one you
Yeah, that's
want.
what I was looking at, all that one.
Yeah,
I
Either
quite
of
like that
those.
one, actually.
That one?
Yeah. Yep.
that's
Okay.
lovely. Thank you.
And there is the crystal shop, just on the corner. You'll find it on the corner next to the sweet shop. It's a nice little cafe. 3T25. Looks like it's a 100% plant-based. Dog's welcome.
Hola, Kev.
And Mr. Seagull, looking outside the chippy for his chips. Gorgeous view from up here. See the pirate ship going out. Let's go here and see what this is all about. Smuggler's Apprentice. That's number one. If someone whispers, you whisper back. If someone shouts, you run. You keep away from the well-worn track, for there waits a man with a gun. steps down there. I don't think you would catch me using them. Just walking down here, some lovely nice buildings over the side of the hill. Palace Hill Hotel. Looks nice, they do, don't they? And I just spotted that, look. Looks like you, Dad, sunbathing. I like the snow one. How nice that is. You seen that one?
What? 40 cents, 40 cents.
What are you saying? What, the registration? Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Sticking out. Mondeo, you mean? It's a Mondeo. Well, what's up with that? My dad took a fascination to this car for some reason. Catch 55. Cod £7.50, jumbo £12.
I also just love laughing at people who didn't pay, then give them food.
Got a nice restaurant in there as well. You can see a view out the back, don't you see that? Very nice. Dogs welcome as well. And that one's called Catch 55. Keep hold of it for three seconds.
Right.
I know, dogs welcome, yeah, I filmed that. It's good, isn't it? You've seen the view from the windows as well.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
It's nice, isn't it?
Mm.
Kev, they've got a wheelchair ramp as
I
well.
know, I read that, yeah.
That's good.
Just about to head down to the front, so let's hope it's not as busy as what it was yesterday. Turn you around. That's how busy it is, look. Mental. Scarborough Kids Holidays. Who do it? So we just decided to come and sit down on this bench because it was empty, and we've probably figured out why now. Didn't we? Yeah, so I'm not showing you my dad's crotch for no reason at all. Just all these wet patches.
And on his hat.
There. On his nose, on his hat, on the shoe, on my leg.
My arm.
Oh,
It was seagull poo. Just took off, I think, off that post. And then splattered us. Not very good, was it?
No, it wasn't.
But it might be lucky for us, you never know, we might win something now. So we sat here on the bench and it's absolutely red hot. Lovely, but it's dead busy.
Very busy.
Just been to a shop to buy some drinks. And $1.99 a bottle. $1.99 for that bottle.
What?
Just it's 500 mil, 199.
Really?
Yeah.
Mind you, you can understand why. When it's packed like this, people are going to buy loads.
A gnome?
Loads.
Like people are going to buy a gnome.
Loads. It's all right, I'm still getting over being...
I'm glad you spelt it and didn't say it.
Yes, it's not very good. And it went all over Alan's face and his nose.
And there was a family next to us, and it missed the middle two, but got the outer two. one at each end.
Oh, it's a good job he wasn't all eating.
So yeah, so that
Versus...
might be a lucky day now, Dad.
Yeah.
Hey?
Oh,
Never know, do you? So yeah, we just sat in, taking in the views.
As to be expected with the children being off school. Very busy and very hot.
It's amazing, isn't it, how this place has got like loads of different sides to it.
Yes.
That's like this side, which is like I call the Skegness side,
Yes.
and then you've got the town, which is actually quite nice, isn't it?
Yes, the town is lovely.
And then you've got the other side,
the Italian
the
side.
Italian side with the Italian gardens.
That is amazing.
Really
up
nice
there.
as well.
Very quiet if you prefer the quiet
And then
side.
you've got the north side where we are, and that's quiet again, with the sea view. So yeah, something for everybody.